Hello friends, God bless you. I hope that you're having a blessed and prosperous day. Welcome to my channel. My name is Penny. On today's video, you will see me cleaning my bedroom, my bathroom, doing my daily chores. And here, friends, I'm making up my bed. I'm in my comfortable clothes because you definitely need comfort while you're doing your chores and cleaning everything down. Now this dresser here, I really messed it up because I put something on it that it didn't supposed to, so I have to repaint that. So that's why you see that little spot there. On today's video, this is a collaboration with Jessica Marose, the 1 hour of Power Up Cleaning. Now in this part of the video, this is called, it's some type of pink cleaner. This is the first time I'm using it. And friends, I'm going to use it to clean off my lamp. Usually I'll repaint it, touch up it, or do something with it. But this time I'm going to use this to get the stain off. And it did work. It's a natural cleaner I bought from Amazon. And I will have the link to this in my description box. And I thank you once again for stopping by. Welcome, welcome. The results came out beautiful. Friends, even in small spaces, you can still make your room look fabulous. Now, there are some things I'm going to move out, like the exercise bike and that mirror, but that's a little later. Once again, this is a collaboration with Jessica Marose. Her link and the playlist will be in my description box. Please go back and watch the other videos. Thank you. Friends, I'm going to try this paint cleaner on my sink because I do have a little bit of stains, but unfortunately it didn't pull the stains off. I didn't show it on the video, but I ended up adding bleach here, and I just use my bleach and let it sit, and it gets out this stain off of this white sink. I just wanted to give you an honest review. It didn't work that well on my sink, but it did work pulling the stains off of my lamp table. For my bathroom cleaner, I am using 1 part vinegar, 1 part Dawn, and 1 part water. And what I did, I used this on my tub. I spray and let it set for about 10 minutes, and it's just like using Scrubbles or Bubbles. And I'm telling you, it cleaned my bathtub. Friends, cleaning the old toilet is a must. I know none of us don't like to do it, but it must be done. So I'm just taking my little time and cleaning the toilet. Thank you so much for joining me. I thank God today for all of my friends and faithful followers. And if you're new today and you find inspirational, something that you can get from my channel that would help you, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button, join my channel, like, and do leave a comment. Let me know that you are here. To God be the glory. Y'all have a blessed morning or afternoon. I'm taking time to show you just a little process I'm going through with the toilet. It takes a time to get it clean the way you want it. And don't forget to use bleach. Yes, I'm going to master this toilet. I put a lot of cleaner on this, and I put some more bleach around the seat of the toilet. I'm telling you, it takes a lot to clean the bathroom. I love natural products, but when it comes to bathroom, you got to use Clorox bleach. You need that Clorox bleach. Don't forget to clean on the side and the bottom of your toilet. A lot of times we forget around the rim of the toilet, but that must be done also. A tip I want to share with you about the toilet is like a lot of times we do clean it with the brushes, but if you look inside of the toilet, sometimes you can see underneath that you have buildup, and you just want to make sure it's done. Put on a pair of gloves and continue to clean it. Now I'm at the final step, guys, and this is to clean the floors. I changed these floors a few months ago, and I love this, so I'm going to be changing the living room and the kitchen with these floors. So I thank you so much for watching, and I hope you got an inspiration from this video. Friends, I just purchased this mop. I saw so many YouTubers using it, and also my daughter-in-law has it and she loves it. So I said, well, let me go ahead and get this mop, and I'm telling you, I call it a spinner's mop. I love it. You have to get this mop. I will link it in my description box. Try it. And one thing about Amazon, if you don't like it, you can return it. It is returnable. But I love this, and I like the convenience of it. And what I did, put some little soap and some Pine Sol. My mom always cleaned with Pine Sol, so the bathroom is refreshed. So I thank you so much for joining me on today. I love you, and have a blessed, prosperous day. Know that God loves you, and don't ever give up. God bless you. Love you from Penny.